Sappers, pack it up. Eyes open, guns up. We're taking that position.
Australian light infantry, available to deploy.
Little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about.
You need hop to it. We'll have it in no time at all.
Digging out to section command post. Sappers, we've got orders to move, so move. Ground needs taking, boys.
Ian, Senegasa, you're on flag duty. We'll cover.
Section command open for business. Sappers, reporting.
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Where are we going? Raising the colours.
We're taking that position. That capture point needs to be ours, right? Lead on, David.
The lads are accounted for. Securing location.
Dingo on station.
Awaiting instructions, sir! Hold your asses! Move!
Aussie rat! Aussie's taking ground!
Sappers, yeah? Get to it! Hold the position!
What have you got? Location sighted! Moving to secure!
Now then.
Get it, antsy! We found Jerry! He's not too pleased! Take the position, Sappers! Like you was trained!
Out, chums. Come on, chaps, we've got to move! Go! Go! Bloody go!
Jerry's his arm. Can we blow it up now?
Ding, full throttle! We're going! Wait! Moving on for enemy fire!
What did we blow it up?
Hold tight! It's gonna get rough! Foot down, driver! Make a move!
Sappers, move forward! Keep fighting! Ready as
Wait! Back up! Back up!
Sir, apparently it's better over there.
Foot down, driver! Make a move!
I'm waiting. Yeah, we're moving.
Finger up, we hear ya? Let's get to it!
All right, moving forward!
Scout car pulling over! Scout cars!
Royal engineers out of contact. Presumed dead.
Right, full stop! Pull over! Hold tight! It's gonna get rough! Of course we didn't go under enemy fire! Infantry's open fire, lads! All right, keep your knickers on! Scout car's in trouble here! All right, keep it go under enemy fire! Go! Go! Bloody wait! Troopers cut down!
Coordinates received!
Go! In combat! Full throttle! We're going!
17-pounder and both of... We're losing a victory point.
Like we've never marched before! It's dead!
Our destination now.
Listen up, move
The
it!
enemy has our victory point now.
Slow us up!
Where are we going with you, lollygagging, and march!
The enemy has claimed a sector.
We'll have it in no time at all!
Your orders are in! Back in your seats!
A mortar team is awaiting orders.
What have you got? You need light infantry? We're here requesting a recce package!
Stop fucking about! We're up!
Aussie rifles up, asses in gear, sit tight! What have you got? Making headway to the target!
Scout car! out.
Ready?
The beggars are threatening a fuel point.
Let's get some
Australian infantry are in reserve.
You need making headway to the target! Infantry closing on us! Stop and wait!
changing guns.
Damnation! The sector's in enemy hands.
In the machine gun! We're in range! Give it everything you've got! Enemy rifle! They're having a go!
Come on! What now? Promotion fire!
We're taking losses here!
Throw it in reverse!
Desert rat, engage!
We're standing by!
Grenade! There! Now! Got him on the back foot!
Come on, Jack, gotta move! Come on, Ruffy, further! Full throttle! Wait!
Light infantry, here!
Go! Go! Bloody go!
Desert rat!
Bingo! In combat!
Get back!
Heading back! Back! Ding, throw it in reverse! What's that order? Right! Back up! Back us up!
Weapon team, ready! Some walking back to base! Move! All right, moving forward!
We need space for the wounded. Infirmary coming right up.
Quit your lollygagging and march!
We'll have to make it pretty. Just needs to be sturdy.
All right, rifles up, asses in gear!
Infantry training is underway, Commander.
Sure, just lug this
need
thing
rifles
around.
up.
Infirmary
asses
stocked
in
and
gear.
ready.
If you mirror, signal, driver!
What have you got? Setting our sights and moving out. Boss
We'll
man
get there.
says stop!
Dingo, scouting ahead!
Here you've got steady
Come
boys.
on, crew.
Hold!
We can sleep tomorrow.
Waiting here! That's it, lad!
Infantry training completed.
Sappers, receive.
Royal Engineers on the field and ready for your orders.
What needs
Quit
doing?
your lollygagging and march! Yeah, sure. Just pass this thing around. Plans are accounted for. Aussie rat here! All right, moving forward! We got wounded! Make it happen!
Then it's
Take your
fixed.
stations, we're heading out.
Where are we? Setting our sights and moving out. Quit your lollygagging and march. You need... All right, moving forward. Start working, lads.
You've got orders? You on?
Vehicle
With
in
me.
steady on. We'll sort you out, bloody drive.
What's the task?
Scout, come on, chaps. We've got to move. Pulling over.
You need some Aussie.
All right, driver, take your time.
Sappers, you're gonna
Here
shift
you've
some
got
dead weight.
trouble.
Royal
Work's done
Engineers,
here.
What
ready.
is this? Spare wheel drive? Move!
Time to make a name
Ready
for
to build a
ourselves.
post,
The lads are
boys.
accounted for.
Move it.
Sappers, we're needed elsewhere, lads. Let's get to it.
Aussie, rifles up, asses in gear.
Royal Engineers here. Resource cache going down.
Scout car, here!
3 weapon team. Move it.
Sappers, eager as we'll ever be. What's the task? Royal Engineers, ready. Sappers, reported.
Job's done. All right. What have you got?
Cache build your sectors.
We've lost the sector to the enemy.
Come on, boys. Come on.
Where are we? Quit your lollygagging and march.
Now
Stop
we're
mucking
talking.
about. We're up. Let's get
Flame
rolling.
Here
thrower.
you've got trouble. Setting our sights and moving out. Gauge on sight. Forward, lads.
The sector is in enemy control.
Enemy We're getting choppy, lad. Get moving.
Dingo, in combat!
Give it a little haste! Combat!
Big
Maintain distance! Infantry!
Use it.
March! Hold there!
What? Throw it in the road!
Welders out. Get to repair. Move fire. Awaiting orders. Stop.
Coordinates
Watch your feet. Awaiting instructions to bloody stop, will you? We're needed elsewhere, lads. Let's get to it.
Making headway to the target!
Contact with the enemy. We're in it now.
What is it? Rifles are passing here!
Rolling our training to all weapon teams.
Two with our position. Drive them out.
Jerry has 300 points remaining.
Rats here!
I think we're up, lads. Heading to our destination now.
Infantry closing on us!
Some dead wings. Yeah, we're moving.
Commander!
Infantry squad beating about.
Team weapon training completed.
That's it! Give it to them! Come on! Give it out! Hey!
We got them all!
We're taking ground from them! It'll be ours! Command moving!
Scout, give us some breathing room. Ready for action!
Nova repair doctrine shall keep us in this fight a little longer, don't you think?
Scout car, here! We're
That was
moving
a
out,
little
chums.
too easy, hey? All right, flag raised! Ready to move on! Heading out! You need some Aussies!
Vehicle needs a heading. Heading off. I think we got their attention, lads. No! Hit the blood water through as our position.
Like we've never marched before!
Short light tanks are ready for mustering.
Push on later.
Aussie orders to sea!
Bring up the infantry. Hold
What have we
tight.
got?
It's gonna get rough.
Come on! Give it a little haste!
What's that? Come on. Repair option over there.
Where are we? With you lollygagging and march! Marching! In it, boys, and done it! Push up! Recrew that gun! Open up! Desert rat! Aussie, like with numbers faltering! Light infantry, here! Marching! Hold, Commander! What is it? With enemies got us pinned! Listen up, moving! You're my loader! Got it? Clear it! We shift it! Aussie light infantry have a job to do! Coordinates received! Enemy rifle! They're having a go! Stand by the tune! Desert rat!
Forward with haste. The enemy has only 250 points left.
Stow that gear, boyos. We're going. Royal engine. And here we go.
Stuart's light tank, tracked and ready.
Just follow in. Is it load bearing?
Stuart,
Then it's fixed. Not had orders in yachts. Sappers ready.
We have munitions ready to be used, Commander.
Repairs finished.
Making headway to the target!
We're back to full strength. We shall prepare our light vehicle crews at once.
Stop packing up, lads. We're moving.
Your tank, available on Lend-Lease.
Rifles up! Our first man says stop! Enemy strategic point! Neutralizing! Securing supplies to Jerry!
Vehicle drills completed.
Retreat!
So we've got orders to move. So move.
What now?
Get on with it!
Build up and come on, chaps. We've got to move. Pulling over. Take your stations. We're heading out. Infantry, close up. Come from. Move head.
report. Come on, sappers, get to...
The Stewart's tank has been lost to enemy action.
Here's some blisters for your blisters.
Shift in position.
What's the task?
Let's get rolling, lads.
Not had orders in yachts. Sappers ready.
Come on, gents. Shift your asses.
The enemy is down to 200 points. Carry on.
Come on.
We can conduct supply runs to secure additional resources.
Pack it up, lads. Patching it up now.
We're moving out, John. Stewart, reporting!
Good as new. Let's slow that here, boys.
Stewart's light tank, tracked and ready.
We should see the other guy.
Light vehicle, eager to go. The enemy is trying to take a point from us.
When you're lollygagging and march.
Sappers reporting. Then it's fixed. Roger that. Let's get started.
I think we're up, lads.
You need light infantry.
Awaited instruction. Apparently it's better over there. Move.
Send your message.
Ready for trouble.
Aussie rats here.
Stewart, eager for the off. Let's get rolling, lads. Stop. What now? Heading to our destination. What's the damage? Royal Engineers trained and ready to go. We need you! Hold on! Stewart, let's go! We're deadly!
Here you've got trouble.
Stewart, eager for the come on, Jack. Going out! Stewart, roll now! Right, Stewart, stop!
Oh, we're needed out.
Enemy gateway! Stewart in contact!
Light infantry.
Royal Engineers on the field and ready for your orders. Take your station. We're heading out.
When you're lollygagging and march. Aussie rats here. Making headway to the target. Aussie weapon team here.
Time to march, boys. Come on.
Round complete.
Eager for the off.
Mine. Patience, lads. Get back. Let's
Start patching it up
go.
now.
What have you got?
Stewart, eager for the off.
Royal Engineers, ready. Trouble's out, boys.
Stewart, eager for the off.
Is it load bearing? Then it's fixed.
Stewart,
Orders. Sappers on site. What do you need blowing up? Hazard removal. Royal Engineers, here we go. You're the boss. Shut it. Complain when we're done. Sapper, we've got orders to move. So move. What's the task? Sappers, reporting. Roy, stow that here, boys. Sappers receiving orders. Stop it. No, right? It's designed to hurt.
All right, moving forward.
Royal, we've got orders to move. So move. Position
Rifles
taken.
up, asses in
Tidy.
gear.
Time for a brew?
Lads are accounted for.
kit. Should keep us afloat a little
All right,
longer.
moving forward.
This is how it's done. The enemy is down to 100 points.
Got some hard yakka for us. Stand back.